Hello and welcome to the third tutorial for diddlyd.com, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at crocheting, creating stitches. So if you've watched the first tutorial, it was all about attaching the yarn to your crochet hook, the second one about creating a chain, and in this one we're going to build on those first two steps but then actually introducing the double crochet. Now, double crochet in this one we're using as the UK term. The US term for the same stitch is single crochet, so you will need to check if you're following a pattern, if the pattern is following UK terms or US terms. Okay, let's get started. So moving this to the side, we'll attach the yarn to the crochet hook using the slip knot, holding it firmly, the fingers, bunny ears, and we're going to crochet a chain of 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I'm just going to move my hands up, 14, 15. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look really closely at these stitches that we have here. We're going to be crocheting into the second stitch, so not this first one but the second one, and it's going to be this top loop. I'm just going to separate it so we can see it a little bit clearer. That's the one that we're going to be crocheting into. And to do the double crochet, I'm going to be using the UK terms here, but this is the same as the single crochet. What we will do is we do two moves really. We insert the crochet hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. We'll end up with two loops on our crochet hook. We then yarn over again and pull through both. Then we're looking for the next stitch, which will be this one here. Can you see that one? So put your crochet hook round, yarn over, pull through. We've got two stitches again, and then pull through that as well. Looking for the next stitch, which is this one here. So insert your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. There's two stitches on your hook. Next space, push your hook through, yarn over, pull through, got your two stitches, yarn over, pull through. So that double term is kind of two moves. We've got the first yarn over once you push through, and then we've got the second yarn over when we had the two loops on our crochet hook. And you would carry on to the end. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. To the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. It's starting to get a bit wiggly, but you can see the double crochet stitches that we're creating. Moving along with the magic of video, we can see now what that chain of 15 looks like when we've double crocheted into each stitch. We're nearly at the very end. We've just got this last stitch to work. But I want to show you how we form a turning chain in order to work back along the other direction. So if you were making a scarf, whether it's for a teddy bear, which would probably be this size, or for yourself, make your starting chain a lot wider, or if you're making a square, you will be wanting to move backwards and forwards in rows this way. So picking up the work, finding the last space in the foundation chain, inserting the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and we've then got the final chain complete. We're going to do our now one chain as part of our turning chain. Usually if you're using UK double crochet or US single crochet, it is just one chain to turn. If you're following a pattern, it may tell you differently. Obviously follow the pattern, but for now we're just going to turn it over so we've got the reverse side of the stitches. I think it always looks a bit neater on that side, but you can sort of see just a little bit of difference with how they look. Okay, so pulling this a little bit tighter again. It's different this time. When we started our foundation change, we just were crocheting through the top loop. This time we're going to be going through the top V. We're going to go through both those stitch parts, and I'll show you how. So you're inserting the loop, but if you look, we've got both parts on. Okay, same as before, yarn over hook, pull through. You've got 2 loops on your crochet hook, and then pull through. Looking for the next stitch, again we are capturing both parts. You can see both parts on there. Yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and then again going through both, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And as you can see, it's really starting to form your second row. Okay, we'll leave it there, but I hope that's helped along the next step of your crochet journey. Happy crocheting!